Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make cassava chips, or is it tapioca, or in Igbo language we call it Abacha mmiri or akpu mmiri. I don't know the one you're calling it, but I know you've seen people hawking this and it can go well with coconut or granite. So I've gotten my cassava roots. You can get it from cassava root. So this is my cassava root. So I actually got it for the family. So I decided to make a tutorial to teach you how you can achieve this. And in this channel, is either you make money or we tell you how to save money. You can actually make this at the comfort of your home. So first of all, I'm going to wash off my cassava roots, and you see what I'm doing. It's very self-explanatory. So just watch what I'm doing. So I'm going to make sure that I wash it off. After getting it from the farm, or maybe you buy it, what you are going to do is to make sure you cut it. Some people remove the back. You can decide to remove the back, but I wash it very well and cook the back and the cook the back together, just like you're seeing me doing. So what I'm going to do is to pour water inside. Make sure that water fills it to the brim. Yes, make sure that water fills it to the brim. Then again, what I'm going to do is to put it on fire and cook it. See how you are going to cook it. Once you put it on fire, from the time it started boiling, just leave it 10 to 20 minutes. Between 10 to 20 minutes, just leave it 20 minutes that it boiled. Then you bring it down. Let it not done at all. Just it will look as if you parboiled something. Yes, when you are parboiling something. So after that, you remove the back, just like you are seeing me doing. Then So after removing the back like so, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this point, you've watched this video up to this point, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and tell me in the comment section if you're going to try this out. This is a great snack. Yes, it's a great snack. I always buy it anytime I go out. Yes, it's one of my favorite snacks. Yes, it can go well with coconut. So after peeling the back and the we are going to so now this is kind of where the work is. So you are going to slice it. I'm going to show you how you are going to slice it. So what we are going to do now is to cut it like so. Do you see what I'm doing? We cut it like so and slice it like, do you see how flat it is? Do you see how flat is it? So this is what you are going to do until you finish the whole cassava chips. Yes. Don't slice it big. Let it be flat like you're making chips. You know how plantain chips looks like? Do you know how it looks like? Yes. So this is what you are going to do on this particular part. So I'm going to cut it, slice it like so, like I am cutting chips. So after that, what's next that I'm going to do is to put it overnight on inside water. I'm going to soak it overnight. See, soaking it overnight is a way of removing starch in it. So I'm going to put it in a bigger bucket and soak it overnight, just like so. Can you see what I'm doing? And I'm going to pour in water into it. It's very easy to make. It's very easy to make. If you get maybe the cassava you got from your home is not that much, you are thinking of what to use it to do. Use it to do cassava chips or tapioca or abacha mmiri. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to pour it water and leave it overnight. I think I make this video. I kept it I pour this water around 7 o'clock p.m. in the night. Yes. And I wash it around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So now that I'm washing it is 12 o'clock. This is the following day, 12 o'clock Nigerian time. So just calculate it and know when to wash it, and it's ready. At this particular time, it is ready. You can eat it, and make sure you store it in a water. You wash it very well. Make sure you remove the starch in it, and you serve it. Put it in the water and keep it for your consumption. Or if you're using it for business, a lot of people use this as business. I don't know. I don't really know. So this is our abacha, and is ready for consumption. Yes. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And tell me in the comment section if you're going to try this. This is still your soup queen. We run training on soup production, skincare formulation, and hair care formulation. Yes, this is Crystal DIY. And I love you. Kiss, kiss. Bye.